In this video, we're going to explain a little bit of the difference between offset printed material and digitally printed material. Both of these stocks here are around 100-pound coated two sides material. The blue has all the Baum on it. This was offset printed. In this printing, the ink is laid down and compressed into the sheet or on top of the sheet, but it's very smooth. It has a nice feel to it. When you go to digitally printed, the digital toner just lays on top of the sheet and is either statically charged or baked onto the sheet a little bit. But the toner is actually a little bit rougher than the offset. And a lot of people saying that this machine struggles with offset to digitally printed. So what I'm going to show here is I'm actually going to put some of the offset paper in, then I'm going to put the digitally material right on top, and we're going to start loading. And as you can see, we went straight from the digitally printed material to the offset printed, and with no problems at all. And as you can see, between the offset and digital, if you open these up, the digital printing has no dog ears, no problems with the fold. Everything looks very good. And the offset one is the same way. No dog ears, the fold is very nice and consistent and straight. And these will run right behind each other. Now, if you do get a situation when you're running some digitally printed material where getting an internal dog ear, which I mean by basically the lead edge of the sheet is rolling over as it goes through coming out of the number 2 fold plate like this, and you get this lead edge rollover. We do have a solution for this, and it's a very simple solution, and it's what we call stuffing the number 2 folder. We'll lay it on a flat surface. Now the pan stop is already set as far as to make the fold, your fold lengths to do this fold job. So then what we'll do is we'll take a piece of 20-pound bond paper and we'll actually slide it into the pan stop in between the top plate and the bottom plate. And then you'll take your fingers and you will fold that lead edge over the nose of the plate. And just by taking a piece of tape it on, so that way that piece of paper will not come out. And what that will do is as this paper goes into the number 2 plate, that will hold that flap down so that as it's exiting out to make this fold, that lead edge won't rub against this digitally printed material and roll over. It'll hold that piece down so that way it makes the fold. So with that, we'll put it back into the machine. Put a little paper into it. And as you can see, the paper, the sheet did work. There's no dog ear on any of the folded product. All it does is just hold this flap down so the next flap can roll over.